So, yeah, I know. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Yeah, I know. I love you. I love you, baby. Blue is jealous because of this adorable. Can you see her? I don't know. I can't look. Yeah, I know. Because of this adorable little girl here. Yeah, I love you too, my handsome boy. Yeah, I know. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he's jealous because of this adorable girl who I found. I don't plan on keeping her, but I don't think Blue knows that. I love you. Can I kisses? All right. And he's been very good with her, but he obviously doesn't want to keep her. Yeah, my baby boy's jealous. Hey, sweetheart. Darling girl. We need to get you a home, don't we? Don't we? Yeah. It's all very cute.